Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Vanessa and today I have some special scenes of Cologne that I wanted to share with you. It's a little bit vlog style, but let me first talk about my outfit, my leather dress and my leather overknee boots with some sheer black ties. You may know this look from one of my last videos. I filmed a lookbook in Berlin with completely this style and look and combination, and if you like to see more of those lookbooks, you should definitely subscribe to my channel because I will show you some more of these kind of lookbooks also very soon again. I wanted to share those scenes of my vlogs. Well, I think I will create 3 different vlogs from my time in Cologne, so be prepared that the next videos will be from Cologne.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning.
So Cologne is always a little bit like coming home because I was born in that area and Düsseldorf is right next to it. And so it feels really like coming home. But first let me show you the hotel. I was about to check in. The room wasn't ready. Then I went to the lounge, but let me just show you this.
So I'm in the lounge and now drinking some coffee and maybe eat something. I saw something that I really love. Come on.
So I'm just in my room. I have now 5 minutes until my friend picks me up. So let me quickly show you this room. This is the dining table, working space, living area, bathroom, little minibar, TV, sitting area, and the sleeping area. So quick change. So 5 minutes later, and I just switched to the leather boots, and otherwise it would take a little bit longer, and so I'm pretty fine with that. So wow, such a long parking garage, but we found a parking space, so everything was fine. And yeah, then we went up to the chocolate museum. I've seen that museum many times. It's now 25 years old, but I've never been inside. Well, it's just, well, I love chocolate, so maybe you thought, okay, you must have seen it many times from inside, but no, just outside. I can explain why, but well, I've been to a manufacturer in Austria. They produce chocolate, and that was something really special. So I was looking forward how this museum would be. Is it like similar, and can you taste so many chocolate, or does it smell like chocolate? So I just went in.
Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe.
Oh wow, it's raining. It feels like. Oh, wow, beautiful light. So perfect for course.
In our way, and
That's the famous chocolate fountain, and that's the reason why it smells everywhere like chocolate, tastes like chocolate.
so every night I dream it.
full spot, and tomorrow I think I will go to this Christmas market and show you some more details. So much chocolate on this Christmas market. So it's more like a chocolate market, but looks like a Christmas market.
So very interesting, the whole museum, you should see it. You can't taste that much chocolate like in Austria, but it was totally fine to learn more about the history of chocolate, and so I love it. So that was the first part of my vlogs from Cologne, and the next video will be about the Christmas market or the chocolate market in front of the museum. So that is the plan for the next video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your thumbs up and also for a nice comment. So see you again in the next video. So the video I'm talking about with this outfit, just click here on top on this video clip so you can see it. So if you missed it, just watch it and also leave a comment there. So wishing you a nice weekend, a nice Sunday evening, and goodbye.